Reviews after sa baptism
Ingon nila,
sa
after Jesus baptism, he
oo.
went to the wilderness. Pero this is the time, this is the place that they said that Jesus went here to fast 40 days and 40 nights, and after that it was Satan that tempted him. So there are 3 temptations that was recorded, that is in Matthew, I think chapter 4 verse 1 to 11, if I'm not mistaken.
We are riding now. Like
So there Jesus counterfeit Satan's accusation.
tuloy ay.
Meron tapos the world ulit.
Hey, your dreams comes to life.
Yeah.
It
It's
is
meant for me to come kay
Ala.
ano man. Wish na.
Sabi, uy, nakakapanginig ng tuhod.
wag kang tumingin doon.
Ano na doon, nanginginig ako yung tuhod ko, hindi mo na ako ni Mamita.
Face your fears, live your dreams. Oh,
Oh, takawa.
Ano?
Hello, it's open.
Hello, open.
Ah.
Mga nahangin ba? Oh.
Nasira na noon.
Wala tagi video sa atin, no?